Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about that in a science class. First of all, I welcome you to all for in a 9th standard. Okay. In science class, today we are going to see in physics the first lesson, measurement. What do you think about that in a measurement? It is very important for scientific study. Okay, in our daily life is used? Yes. How it is used, ma? Finding your height, it's also measurement. Buying milk for your family, that's also we are measure. Timing the race completed by your friend, yes, that is also measured. So how fast? How distance? How heavy? So all the question it is answer coming for that's in a measurement. Measurement definition we are seeing means it is a determination of the size or magnitude of a quantity. Physical quantity, that is we are measured as in a 3 kg. Okay. So 3 kg among that what it here in a magnitude means 3 is a number. Okay, that's only it is in a magnitude. Kg it's a unit. Both it is jointed manner only we are mentioned as in a physical quantity. Okay, magnitude and unit. Both it is only we called as in a physical quantity. In this lesson, we are going to study about in a units of measurement. Okay, so here in a top it is mentioned in a SI unit. What is the meaning of SI unit? That is Standard International Unit System. Okay, so here it is having in a CGS, FBS and MKS. What's it is? It's in a first letter of that in a length, mass, time. Okay, so C for CGS, C for centimeter, G for gram, S for second. Okay, so in olden days it is used likewise only. It is in a basic unit. Then in foreign countries they are used as in a FPS. That is length for they measured as in a foot and mass for in a pound and time for in a second. Then now we are used in a MKA system. What is the MKA system? We are using for in a length for in a meter and mass for in a kilogram and time for in a second. Okay, physical quantity. What is the meaning of physical quantity? A quantity that can be measured. Which one able to we are measure, that is we called as a physical quantity. It is categorized into two fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Fundamental quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantities. Okay, we are not possible to express any other terms. வேறு எந்த டேர்ம்னாலையும் நம்மளால் ஃபண்டமெண்டல் குவான்டிட்டிஸை எக்ஸ்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகே, இன் அ ஃபண்டமெண்டல் குவான்டிட்டிஸ் டேர்ம்ஸ் ஒன்லி வி ஆர் ஏபிள் டு எக்ஸ்ப்ரெஸ். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் லென்த், ஓகே, அண்ட் மாஸ். திஸ் இஸ் அ மாஸ் அண்ட் தென் ஹியர் இட் இஸ் time in seconds, okay, and then temperature in Kelvin, then current, electric current in ampere, and intensity of light, that is in a candela. Here you see that first light it is having us in a much less intense, but here it is having us in a much intense in a down. Then amount of substance for in a mole. Okay, amount of substance for in a mole. These are all we called as in a fundamental quantities. So now it is in a recap. Length for in a meter, it is symbol is a m. Mass for in a kilogram, its symbol is a kg. Time for in a second, symbol is a S. Temperature for in a Kelvin, symbol is a K. Electric current for in ampere, symbol is a. So here all that one unit we have to first letter start in a small letter, but symbol some here it is used as a capital letter. Like this only we want to use. Electric current for in ampere, A. Luminous intensity for in a, that is a light, okay. Candela, CD. Amount of substance for in a mole, MOL, okay. That's like that. Then derived quantities. First one we see that in a fundamental quantities we cannot able to express in any terms, but derived quantities can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities. So first one among that in a area. So area means how we are measure, that is length into breadth. Unit is a meter square. This is volume. Volume area into height, that is in a meter cube. Length, breadth and height, all those things it is included, that is only volume. Then density. Density it is in a mass divided by volume. Okay, how much mass it is having in a volume, that is only its unit is a kg meter kg per meter cube. Then velocity, that is displacement by time. Okay, velocity displacement by time, which side also it is able to mention, direction also you are able to mention, that's only it is in a velocity. Its unit is meter per second. Then acceleration, momentum, that is mass into velocity, that is here see that one object is there, velocity is acting on that, both it is we are combined manner only we said as in a momentum. In Tamil we have to say as in a undam. Okay, its unit is kg meter second per minus 1. The next one is acceleration. Acceleration means change in velocity by time taken, that's only we called as an acceleration. And then here you see that in a so much of changes in that in a velocity. Okay, at the starting it is having in a velocity is a low, but it is increased in a down itself, that is change in velocity we called as an acceleration, meter per second square. The next one is a force. Push or pull moment, it is we called as in a force. Okay, mass into acceleration, that's only it is in a expression, mathematical expression. So its unit is a Newton, but we are able to say as in a kg meter second per minus 2. Then force, mass into acceleration. So you see that force acting on an area, that's only we called as in a pressure. Okay, force acting on an area, that's only we called as in a pressure. Okay ma, its unit is Pascal, but we are able to say as in a force divided by area. So force for in a Newton, area for meter square, so force divided by area, so we are able to say as in a Newton per meter square. Then next one is in a energy, work, that is ability to do work, that is only we called as an energy. Force into distance, Newton meter or joule we are measured as in a, here it is having in a battery is one of the chemical energy, and potential energy, current energy we are able to likewise we are say as a many energy, solar energy likewise. The next one is a surface tension. So force acting on a molecule of a liquid. Okay, that's only we called as in a, how much force it is acting on that in a surface of the liquid. That is only we called as in a surface tension. Force divided by length, that is Newton per meter. This is in a conclusion of that in a derived quantities, area, volume, density, velocity, momentum, acceleration, force, pressure, energy, surface tension. So here area for in a length into breadth, its unit is a meter square, because length also meter, breadth also meter, so meter square. Volume is a area into height, that is a area for in a meter square, height for in a meter, so its unit is a meter cube. Density, mass for mass divided by volume, mass for in a kg, volume for in a meter cube. It is in a division, so we written as in a meter power minus 3. And then velocity, it is expression is a displacement by time, that is in a meter per second, meter per second. Then momentum, mass into velocity, kg, mass per in a kg, and velocity per meter per second. So we are combined and write acceleration, that is a velocity by time, meter per second square, that is meter second power minus 2, both it is in the same only. Then force, mass into acceleration, mass for in a kg, acceleration for meter per second. So or otherwise it is in a combined manner, we are able to written as in a Newton. Pressure, force by area, that is force for in a Newton and area for meter square. Okay, so meter per above we are written means meter my power minus 2, or otherwise we are say as in a Pascal, it have a 2 units. Okay, the energy is for in a force into distance, force into distance, force for in a Newton, distance for in a meter. So we are unit written as in a Newton meter, or otherwise we are able to have written as in a joule. Okay, both unit we are possible to use. Then surface tension, its mathematical expression is a force divided by length. Okay, force for we are using as in a Newton, and length for in a meter, so force per meter, otherwise we are written as in a Newton per minus 1. Okay, one more time recall. Today in a class we saw that in a physical quantities, a quantity that can be measured. Okay, which one able to measure, that's only we are mention as in a physical quantity. Okay, two types of quantity we saw: fundamental quantity, derived quantity. Fundamental quantity, length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. And derived quantities, many we saw that area, volume, density, velocity, momentum, acceleration, force, pressure, energy, surface tension likewise. Okay, thank you. One more time you see that, then only you are able to understand and do the worksheet as in a neat manner. When it is asked the time, you come and submit in a school. Thank you.